In this video, I will show you how to use filters in YouTube when searching for videos. To get started, please open the YouTube app. Enter the keyword you are looking for. Now, click Filters. Here, you can filter the video results. When do you want the videos to be uploaded? In the last hour? Today? You have the option here. Are you looking for a channel or a video or a playlist? You can specify which result type you want. How long do you want the video? Short or long? Are there specific features in the video you are looking for, like high definition and captions? The last column here is how you want the results to be sorted, by relevance to your keyword or when it was uploaded or how many views the video has. If you're looking for a topic about a recent event, you may want to filter for a video uploaded today, sorted by upload date. The search result will be updated based on your filter. If you have any questions about this video, please leave a comment below.